how it is direct valid cognition of the mental, direct valid cognition of yogi, direct valid cognition of self-awareness. 4 direct valid cognitions to perceive the direct valid appearances of the relative truth. Establish direct reality of the relative truth. How it is that appears. Through this establishment of the valid cognitions, inferent, indirect valid cognitions. Through the direct valid cognitions, establishing inferent direct valid cognitions. Inferent direct valid cognitions. Causalities. To nature realities. For example, direct realization, direct to understand the smoke. Through that inferent valid cognitions, to have significant realization of the fire. Definitively, you not yet see the fire, but you have signification of the fires through the smoking, through the direct 4 valid cognitions. Therefore, any kind of logical, valid cognitions inevitable. And you can do something else to establish. For example, quoting the smokings, you can establish something else of the fire. Valid cognition of the inferent. Inferent. Yes, logical. Inferent. And inferent. Therefore, we can clearly to establish the power of your logicals, strength of your wisdoms, valid cognitions, study of the syllogisms, different terminologies, establish unmistaken, unerring, finding truth of the true truth. And the true or 4 valid direct valid cognitions like here's 14th verse. Direct perception itself is of 4 kinds. Unmistaken sensory, that is the faculties. Mental, direct valid cognition of the mental, direct, unmistaken mental. Unmistaken self-awareness. Unmistaken yogis. sensory, mental, self-awareness, yogis. It's the four, yes? All of them which are the non-conceptuals. Since there are objects appeared with specific characteristics, you know, object appeared specific characteristics. Specific characteristics. Free from the elaboration, free from the conceptual thoughts. Free from conceptual thoughts. Holding the specific characteristics. Direct for the valid cognitions. Sensory faculties. When you see the first time specific characteristic of the computers, sensory faculties, relative contaminate things of the computers, when you see the first second, that times you see the specific characteristics. Your mind is the free other conceptual thoughts. What does mean? There's no other thoughts. No other thoughts of the mandala, table, or the camera, so on. Only that there is a single thoughts of the computers. That time is direct, holding the object appearances of the computers, specific characteristics of the computers. That moment, the sensory faculties, we say as valid cognition, direct valid cognitions, sensory of the faculties, perceived specific characteristics of the computers. That moment, other conceptual thoughts is the free, no chance. Only the single thoughts of the computers. And also like that, we can to say mental direct, awareness direct, yogic direct. In the relatively, we direct perceive the relative things. Sensories perceived directly, direct phenomena of the relative realities. And then we establish those directly through the four reasons: cause, effect, nature, tenables. And also the yogis, self-awareness, directed, establish absolute truth through the threefold of the liberations. See the specific characteristics of the natural space. Lack of the characteristics, lack of the wish, is an emptiness. Therefore, these four direct characteristics, no existence. How we can to know about the both level of the truths?